I like to eat keto. That's just what works for me. So I like to keep my carbohydrates and especially sugars very low as I can. But every once in a while, I'm craving a snack on a weekend, on a Saturday afternoon. If I'm watching a movie and I want a snack, I would rather grab something that is slightly less harmful on my keto diet. So I buy these. These are KUDO protein popcorn, and they come in a couple of different flavors. If you buy a sample pack, you will get multiple different flavors. This one is garlic parmesan. This one is white cheddar. And this one is salty sweet kettle corn. And I honestly don't know which one is my favorite. I keep changing. Every time I have one, I think, man, that one's probably my favorite. And then I eat the other one, I'm like, no, I like that one better. So I genuinely enjoy these things. Now, they're not going to be one-to-one exact if you're buying off the shelf because these are made with less sugars and a little bit cleaner products, but they're still, in my opinion, very good. Now, also, they are described as keto-friendly, not keto, because they still do have carbohydrates in them. They just have a lot less added sugars than a typical flavored popcorn would. So they have less sugar and less carbohydrates, but still, I wouldn't say full keto, but keto friendly for sure. So if you're at your limit for carbs, this is going to push you over them. But if you're careful and you want to count a snack into your carbs for a day, for like a Saturday, for watching movies, these are great. So I buy these, I love these, and I would definitely recommend them.